Hello everyone, I'm Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to get Discord user ID on mobile. Let's get started. In just 5 simple steps, you can find your Discord user ID on your mobile device. First of all, going to your Discord app. Open Discord app, tap on your avatar icon, then tap on cogwheel. Now scroll down until you see advanced under app setting. Tap on advanced icon, then press on developer mode. Next step, going to your any friend's chat. Such as example, my chat with Christian, I am opening this, then tap on Christian profile icon, then click my ID name, then tap on 3 dots, then copy user ID. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips, check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a question, drop them in the comment section. See you next time.